All right, so today we're going to be talking about the THC, and let's go ahead and pull up our THC here. This is the THC that we currently use. I want to make sure that we have our wires hooked up properly, making sure that we are getting the up and down motions. A couple of ways that we can just double check that. One easy way to make sure that we have up and down is by holding these two buttons at the same time until it reaches TST. TST, release. Now you have the number 3, and it'll force the torch to go up and down with reference to the voltage here. This is going to simulate some voltage, and it will attempt to push the system up and down. You'll also notice on the top it has an up and a down light, so when it goes to the up light, you should see the system go up, and when you have the down light, you should see the system go down. Pretty self-explanatory, but make sure that we're getting the right reaction when we do so. To get out of TST, we just hold this and there on end and then release, or if you need to, just shut it off in an emergency. All right, once we have that all said and done, we can also check our connections. So one of the things I would recommend is we have this pinout for the connections on our system. COM down, arc up, and from the top here, it's from left to right, yellow, green, red, and black. We'd recommend, if you are having issues with the up and down, you detach 1, 2, 3, and 4 and make sure that we are getting contact there. We just want to confirm that that's actually making contact on the wire here, and we can follow that to the T lead on the front. You'll notice here the letter T that goes into here, and we just want to make sure that it's seated well. So if we check that end of the connection, we can then rule out a lot of variables. Once we have all of the connections checked up to this point, we turn on the THC again, run that TST, and if we're still having issues, we can revisit it on a further into the control box sort of issue. So let's try that out.